Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So, if you notice that I am wearing the same clothes for the past 2 videos, or actually I don't know if this video is going to go up first, but anyways, I am going to be wearing the same clothes for like 4 videos because I am pre-filming. Today is January 3rd and I start school in 3 days, you guys. And I'm super nervous and excited, and I am going to take 2 classes. One is the math class that I'm going to take on campus, and one is going to be online, which is political science. And I'm taking it online because my boyfriend told me that in that class you have to do a presentation. So I don't want to do a presentation because I'm too embarrassed to do a presentation in class. And so yeah, I just rather take that one online. But anyways, today I am going to be doing a palette bingo, and I'm going to be using the Norvina ABH palette, the fake Norvina palette. So I got this fake palette on eBay, and when I did a look with this palette, some of you wanted me to do a palette bingo, so that's what I will be doing today. If you guys haven't seen the first part, I will link it over here in the cards. So I have my palette here, I have my brushes here. I hope you guys don't mind me filming in front of my Christmas tree again. Let me know in the comments below if you guys already took down your tree. I'm going to take it down till it dies. So right now I'm applying the e.l.f. eyeshadow primer. This one right here, it's almost gone. So after this, I will start a new eyeshadow primer. I forgot to generate the numbers, but I already applied my eyeshadow primer. So this palette has 3, 5, 3, 5. So this palette has 25 shadows. So I'm going to generate 5 numbers, so 5 shadows. So let's do that. The random number generator that I use, it is the one from Google. This one right here. So I just type in random number generator, and it just pops up right there. So if you guys were wondering, so I already set my random number generator 1 through 25. So let's generate a few numbers. So the first one is 24 and 10. So 24 is this one right here, which is E4, and then 10 is a brown. This one right here, B5. Okay, I'm going to generate 2 more numbers. So 8 and 3. So 8 is this one right here. And I also got 3, which is this brown one right here, or orange. Okay, the last shade now. Hopefully I get a shimmer because I just got matte so far. So the last one is 23. Damn it. 20, 21, 22, 23. So 23 is this orange right here. And I didn't get no shimmers, you guys. And it's another orange. So this is the color story that I got. I'm probably going to generate 1 more number. Hopefully I get a shimmer, but if I don't get a shimmer, I won't use it. So here we go. 11. Do we get a shimmer? Yes, we do. So 11 is this shimmer right here. It's like a gold one. It is C1. So I'm going to be using 6 numbers right now. 6 shades. So this is the color story that I am working with today. Hopefully I could come up with a good eye look. So I'm going to begin with the second shade that I got, which is E4, which is this yellow one down here. So shade number 24. And I'm going to be using the Moda Pro Detail brush for 20. And I'm going to put this like in my crease, but like the inner crease, so just like the inside.
Let the game begin.
Okay, for some reason this eye is looking a little patchy. Okay, now I'm going into the shade, that light orange. What was it, A3? Yeah, I'm going into the light orange, which is A3, this one right here. And I'm going to put that in my crease, but like the outer part. You guys will see. Okay, so So that's what it looks like so far. Now I'm getting this small blending brush with no product, and I'm going to go gently on the sides to soften the edges. Okay, so these two shades blended in quite nicely. Okay, so I'm going into the shade B3, which is like that red orange shade, this one right here. And I'm going to put it like almost like in my outer V, but not really. You guys will see. Hopefully it comes out good. Look how bright that looks. Okay, so just like that. Okay, it might look like a mess right now because I'm not a professional, you guys. I think it looks alright. I mean, it's not done yet. Now I'm going into the shade B5, this one right here, the brown, in my, like in the outer V. And I'm going to be using the same brush because this is the brush I wanted to use first. I'm gonna use my little mirror instead. So there's like an orangey brown or something, like a rusty color. And I'm going to put it on the bottom as well. Okay, I think I like this brown, like orangey brown type of thing. It looks quite nice. I'm going to go back into the A3, the second shade that I used, like the orangey one, and just put it above really slightly. So if the angle is different, it's because I want to change the battery. Okay, now I'm going into that shade E3, this one right here, the really bright orange. That was one of the last shades that I got. And I'm going to put in the rest of my eye using this concealer brush. And let's see if it's bright enough. Oh, that's really pretty orange. And sorry if my face looks oily right now. It got pretty warm today. Okay, I'm going back into the red B3 just to smudge these two shades together. Okay, now I'm going back into the first shade that I used, the yellow one. Forgot to put brown on this side, on the bottom. Okay, now for my inner corner, I'm going to be using that shimmer that I got. So it's C1. And I'm not going to wet my brush. I'm just going to go in like that.
And ta-da!
Okay, so now I'm going to put eyeliner and mascara off camera, and I will be right back. Oh, and I'm going to blot my oily face. Okay, I am back. I already applied eyeliner and mascara, and as usual, I applied the Miss Hana eyeliner. And for mascara, I applied the So Fierce Revlon mascara. I am blotted. And this is the final look. What do you guys think? I actually love how this came out. Here, look at my cute little child. He's sleeping. He's so cute. Good boy. He looks adorable. There, I put the camera a little higher. Hopefully it doesn't look weird. But this is the final look. What do you guys think? Here, I do feel like I have to blend out this edge over here. This reminds me of summer and hot Cheetos. I love this. I didn't think it was going to be this pigmented. So what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. Do you guys like the look that I created? What would you have done different? And yeah, I absolutely love this. It's so pretty. So I did this look with a fake ABH Norvina palette, but if you guys have the real one, I'm sure it would look way better than this. This is pretty cool. So I'm really happy that I got this fake ABH palette because I can't afford the real one. So I do think this ABH palette is worth it. If you guys can't afford the real one, you should definitely get this one from eBay.
Go get it, you guys.
Let me know in the comments below if you guys want to get this palette. Do you have it? Do you like it? I would like to know. But anyways, that is all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye guys.